What's up, guys? If you're new to this channel, I'm Michael Motorcar, and I'm about to show you some cool cars out of my personal collection, starting with this one. So this car is pretty cool. This is my 993 Turbo, 96 993 Turbo, polar silver over flamenco red interior. I have a red interior fetish, don't ask. Cool thing about this car is, I actually bought this car for an older gentleman back in the day. He found the car, called me and said, hey, I found this car in like Hemmings or whatever. Can you buy it for me and handle everything and I'll buy it from you? So I did all that and I told him, hey, when you sell this car, call me. Well, guess what? Years later, he called me. I bought this car back pretty much and I decided not to resell it, staying in my personal collection. 993 Turbos, guys, are insane. All right, so this is a very, very special car. I absolutely love driving this car. I do have another yellow car that I'm building into a roof tribute car, but this is an all original, all just perfect, just insane spec of an original Polar Silver 993. Let me show you another car. Follow me. So this is our 930 slant nose. This is a true 505 car. We keep this here at the Shore Car Club on display. They leave it right here in the window. There's a lobby so everyone can kind of see it. It's such an insane find because it's a real 505 slant nose with red interior. This is my baby. I actually own this car with a partner. We own this car together. We have two cars. They're brothers. I'll show you the brother in a minute. But I haven't seen this car in a while. I'm happy to look at it today. Very low miles, very original, insane spec. Something that is not for sale, guys. So personal collection on display. I'll probably take it out for a ride this summer. Drove it last summer. This car is unbelievable. True iconic 505 slant nose from Porsche. These cars are incredible with the pop-up headlights and just true 80s icon right here. I mean, I'm absolutely in love with this car. I'm excited that you guys got to see it, and I love that it's on display here, but just follow me real quick. I got one more. This is the brother I keep over here. This is the 89 930 Turbo, okay? So final year 89 car. It's got that extra gear, that 5-speed transmission. This is our sweetie pie, Fuchs wheels, incredible. Check out the interior, okay? Because I haven't seen this car in a while, but I'm in love with this interior. It's got this insane red interior. I have plans of driving this car all summer. I don't know how, because I don't have time, but I'm definitely driving this car this summer. I love this car. True final year 89 930 Turbo. So excited that you guys got to see it, and it is on display here. Older gentleman that I was dealing with had it for sale. He raised the price on me 5 times over 6 months. Every time I thought about it, it went up. It was pretty nuts. Went up to Pennsylvania, guy had a crazy car collection. Somehow or another, I was able to secure this car from him. It took me a long time to do. I have a lot of cars with red interior, so really special to me to have a white car with red interior especially. And the slant nose is white with red also. So the real story was that I bought this one. My friend bought the slant nose and we combined them. We bought them as a pair now. We both own them together and we're keeping them as a pair. They will get sold one day. I don't know when that will be, but they'll be sold as a pair as well. Another car I want to show you real quick. Let's just peek at it. It's up on the lift. It's very special to me. I've had it for 20 years. All right, just follow me real quick to the next car, guys. And it's right there. That's my little 62 Austin. And she sits up there in the lift. She's very special. And we are definitely going to roll in that car this summer. Amazing, amazing car. I've had that car for 20 years, a very, very long time. It's a very cool, interesting car. The interior is redone. It's got a big power sunroof. It's pretty bananas. I'm not going to bring it all the way down because I'm not going to make them work, but there it is. I've seen it, and we're going to move on to something else, so follow me. This is really cool. This we're gonna sell. So just so you know, this is an M491. This is the turbo look car. They built these cars to look like a turbo. Wide body in the back, big fat butt in the back, but not a turbo. Really cool car. Bought it from a very interesting client. I bought a bunch of cars from this man. And the crazy part is this guy, he's got like a bunch of M491s. They're so rare. I did sell one for crazy money, so I do think we are going to list this one on Bring a Trailer. Not really sure, but I'm thinking it's gonna go for sale. Maybe we'll drive it this summer, I don't know. But that's it for now right here in this building. I did show you, 4 cars that I have in here. I drove into my 993, and we are gonna go to some other buildings because I have cars all over the place. I don't even know if we're gonna get to everything today, but we're gonna keep moving and shaking. I'm gonna show you some really cool stuff out of my personal collection that I don't show anybody. I'm about to show you more. This is a brand new building in Michael Motor Car. This is gonna be our new prep center for all our cars. I'm bringing a trailer, but guess what? I got some special stuff out of my collection in here. Follow me, guys. So this one is beyond special, probably one of the most special cars I have. There's a lot of cars, but yeah. Every car's got a story, every car is cool, but as far as rarity goes, this is probably one of the rarest cars I have. So check this out. If anyone doesn't know what this is a Club Coupe. The Club Coupe, okay? This is a 997. It was the fastest 997 that you could buy in the year 2006, okay? This car has a power kit, and it only came in this color. This is Azzurro, California. This is a Ferrari color, okay? They made 50 cars. There was 50 cars made. The first car they gave to the Porsche Museum, the second car they put up for raffle, and there were 48 cars. 2 for Canada, 46 for the United States. The cool thing about this car is that you could not buy one even if you were a billionaire. You could not just walk in and order one if you were a billionaire. You had to win a lottery. You had to win a lottery to get this car. And everybody who entered was from the Porsche Club of America, the PCA, because the PCA Club Coupe is about the PCA Club, the members. And everyone in the PCA had an opportunity to put their name in the hat to win an opportunity, a ticket to build a Club Coupe. 48 lucky people. The whole world, guys, 48 people. 46 for the US, 2 for Canada, really, really cool. And only 7 of these cars, which is really bananas, were able to be ordered with a factory aero kit. This is one of those 7, and this is one of the 2 cars for Canada. So this is one of 50, one of 48, one of 7, and one of 2. And this is in my personal collection. This car has 4,000 miles. Really, really insane car, insane story, because I bought it from the same guy who I bought my 930 Turbo from. Really, really cool. But this car is really unique because it's a Ferrari color. I just want to show you guys the color on this car. If you look closely at it, it is the coolest blue color you've ever seen. And yes, it has the aero kit, so it's got a front spoiler. And the aero kit, guys, came with this big spoiler. So 7 cars came with this spoiler. Again, it had a power kit. It had 381 horsepower. Really cool, guys. 2006. This thing's like 22 years old. Very, very special car. It's got, you know, the sport adaptive seats with the seat backs, and not for sale. Definitely not for sale. It is one of my babies, guys. Let's go look at some other cars. I have a couple more for you. This one is really special to me, guys. I live and breathe for this car. Everyone who knows me knows this is like my sweetheart, okay? So this is my GT3 RS, 2007, guys. The RS, 400 horsepower, right? The coolest 400 horsepower car you have ever driven. Every time I drive it, it gets a little crazy. So let me just open this cover, take this off so you guys can peek at this insane car. Insane spec, by the way. Car's got PCCB, which are ceramic brakes. Really, really unique car. I'm just gonna leave the cover right there on the back window. Really interesting. I don't know how many cars were made. They call this the reverse pumpkin, because instead of having orange and black, it's black and orange, okay? You see those beautiful ceramic rotors. The yellow calipers are the only way that you can tell that this car came with the PCCB brakes, okay? Insane car. It's got a roll bar in it, which was done when it was new. You never find these cars with a roll bar. The guy ordered it with a roll bar. This is a true sweetheart with the most insane amount of options and carbon fiber. It had a huge window sticker in 07. I want to say it was a $147,000 car, which was a ton of money in 07. This car will never leave me. When I drive this car, it is the most exhilarating, special feeling of any car. It's got the big carbon fiber wing back here with the orange winglets. So I love to see the orange winglets. They match the wheels, they match the mirrors, they match the stripes. And then on the back, it has GT3 RS on the back in orange, which is really, really cool. So very special car, one of my sweethearts, guys. Again, I got a bunch of them. There's probably a top 5 and or maybe a top 10, I don't know. But this car is beyond special, and no, 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 it is not for sale. Michael Motor Car, showing you the next car. Come on. This is my 05 Ford GT, guys. This car is no joke. I am in love with this car, like I love all of them, but this thing's bananas. Very hard to find a car like this because it's yellow with black stripes and is a 3-option car. You are only able to order a Ford GT with 4 options. Most people always order them with the 4-option car, but this was ordered with lightweight wheels, so it did not have that extra wheel option. Crazy as it seems, makes this car so much more rare than a car that has 4 options. Very few of these cars came out of the factory with 3 options. 2,000 cars for 05, I think 2,000 for 06, or maybe a couple more, about 4,000 cars. They were 130 grand. For a Ford, people were like, that is insanity. They were selling for 100,000 over sticker. Crazy. Every time I wanted one, the price went up. It kept going up. Enough is enough. I bought this beautiful car. I'm in love with this beautiful car. It is yellow. It is special. It's got the crazy doors. We all know how the doors open in this car. And this one's got some extra modifications. I'm not going to tell you what, but let's just put it this way. This is the fastest car that I own. This is the fastest car in my collection. And this is the only car that scares me every time I drive it. It's frightening. It has no traction control. It sounds like an airplane. And when you sit in it, you're laying down looking up at the sky. It is bananas. Yellow bananas. Special, special car, guys. We're going through a couple cars. This is our brand new building. Forgive me on the mess here, though. Just so you know, a lot of cars will be coming in here. This is about 13,000 square feet, but we are looking at cars today. I'm going to take you guys to another building. So stay tuned, check the next video, and follow me.